Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Sandy Williams. Jamaica's economy grew by 1.6% in the second quarter of 2025 when compared to the same period in 2024. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, the growth was driven by improvements in both the goods-producing industries, up by 3.6%, and the services industries, which rose by 1%. Agriculture was also a standout performer, climbing 9.2% as the sector continued to rebound from the adverse weather conditions of 2024. Meanwhile, compared to the first quarter of 2025, the economy grew by 0.4%. This reflected a 2.3% increase in the goods-producing industries. Jamaica's labor market continues to show strength, with the latest data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica revealing notable gains in employment for the July 2025 quarter. According to Statin, 32,100 more people were employed compared to the same period last year, pushing the unemployment rate down to 3.3% from 3.6% in July 2024. The biggest job gains were seen in the managers and services and sales workers occupational groups. Youth employment also saw a boost, rising by 7.2%, and the overall labor force participation rate climbed to 69.1%. Statin says the number of people outside the labor force fell by nearly 29,000, driven mostly by increased male participation. A multi-million-dollar development on Jamaica's north coast is stirring both excitement and questions. The Pinnacle Jamaica, marketed as a luxury lifestyle project, is already attracting buyers, but some are concerned about the environment and the workforce needed for a project of this scale. Deidre Thomas toured the property and filed this report.
Nestled beside the sea and embraced by a protected nature reserve, the Pinnacle Jamaica is poised to redefine luxury living on the island. But as excitement builds, questions have emerged about whether foreign workers will be imported, since developments of this caliber require highly trained hospitality staff to deliver a seamless luxury experience.
The staffing is come from here, our Jamaicans. We and our partner Accor and small hotel group, they will have their own training institution here. So we're going to train our people to serve this hospitality.
At the same time, concerns have also been raised about the environmental impact of constructing an expansive estate so close to a nature reserve. Developer Yang Sen Lee has been quick to shut down both lines of speculations.
Yeah, as you can see, we are on the land, so we are doing construction buildings on the land, so we are not trouble the surrounding. You can see the lagoon and the mangroves, and that is a fish sanctuary and bird sanctuary. We are monitor and protect entire this area.
With more than $450,000 already invested and 65% already sold out, the remaining 35% is projected to be sold by 2026. The first phase is also on track for completion by 2028.
Of course, this project is redefined luxury in Jamaica. The lifestyle, as you can see, there's nowhere you can see in a Caribbean English-speaking region, right? So there's nowhere can compare with this project.
TVJ News toured the completed two-bedroom model unit. While the space caters to high-end buyers, Mr. Yang Sen Lee says a future project is planned for 2026 to serve low-income earners.
When highway bypass finish, we're gonna have the Anchorage side, have a lot of low-income house.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 4,108 points, while the junior market index advanced by 3 points. The winners include First Rock Real Estate Investments USD, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Mayberry Group, Margaritaville Turks, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. The losers included Key Insurance Company, Lasco Distributors, Paramount Trading, Blue Power Group, and Jamaica Stock Exchange, 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.51. The pound is going for $216.88, while the euro is selling for an average $192.91. And that's the business day. I'm Sandy Williams. Good evening.